Hello guys, good evening. So today in this section we'll discuss about how we can convert the list item into a PDF format. So my aim is to here I have a contact list. When I when I will add any items in this contact list, email will trigger it to my mailbox here, and it will generated all these items. It will automatically convert into a PDF format. So how we'll do it? We'll do it using the Power Automate. So in Power Automate we'll implement this to convert the HTML format to PDF file. So I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, just create a list here. In the SharePoint list, here the list name is employee name, company name, mobile number, location, date of birth. You have to create a columns like this. Then we'll go to the Power Automate. Here in the Power Automate, just go to create a flow. In the just go to the create a flow. In the create a flow, you have to just simple uh, simple just create a flow here. This is my flow, and you will create a flow like when a new item is created, that time send an email to the user. So when you choose this, it choose the or Power Automate flow here. Suppose I am going to create a new flow. You have to choose this one, create a customized Gmail when a new SharePoint list item is added. So when you create a new item in this list, it will trigger the email. So how we'll do it? So before you going to choose that flow, you have to configure the Power Automate. Like means you have to configure the email settings. It is would be successfully configured. So after that, this page will come. When a new item is created, what happens? Just when here you have to provide the site address, and you have to provide the list name. Here you have to provide the list name over here. So which list you want to point. So after that, just it will automatically come like get my profile. So it will bring the profile details, all these things. Next you have to add one more step here. Next is send email, but before that you have to add one more condition here: convert HTML to PDF format. Mm, so in this step, I'll just show you. Yeah, here like convert HTML to PDF. This is like encoded. There is a you have to do it through APIs. There is a encoded API here, so you have to do it like this. So here in the convert HTML to PDF, I have already published an article for this where you will get all the details. But here I will just show you how to do it. Here in the convert HTML to PDF, there is steps you have to add, and this is provided by encoded. There is a like third party APIs. You have to register in their website first, and they will provide you a key which you need it here. That key is the secret key that required to means once you done the registration, that key is required for here. And here you have to provide the PDF file name. Like I have contact card titled.pdf. Here I am file content is optional. Here is the HTML data. In the HTML I have just create a table here. In the column I have all added my all list data: title, company name, mobile, location, date of birth here. And here page size and page originate all will come automatically, no need to do anything. Next go to the send email. In the send email you have to do whatever is there, you have to do like this. But in the attachment you have to give the file name and file content, which is the result of convert HTML to PDF. So this is a simple way you have to do. You can also add image. You can also tag the image tag inside here in your HTML. That I will show you in my next videos. So please subscribe my videos so that I will it will get to know means when I will add new videos here. So this is the simple thing of, again I will show you when a new item created. Just configure your site address and list name here and get my profile. It will automatically come, which no need to do anything. You have to just add custom convert HTML to PDF. But when remember that when you add this, it will ask you to give the name of the connection and secret key. The where you will get this key, you just, it will show you where the URL of where you will generate this key. Just go to that encoder and create the, I will also show you how to create it. Here if you go to here, there is a API key here. I'll show you here. Yeah, this is the website where you get the keys Encodian. This is the site where you have to register yourself. First you will create an account here. When you create an account, it will provide you it will give you in your email. You will receive one key, which is the trial key. It is the validity of that key is 30 days. So you will use that key over here to, and once you connect that, then it will show you that a file in this format, so that you will able to add all these details here. So this is the steps over here only. So next I am going to create a flow here. So I'm going to test this. I'll just prepare a trigger action. Just let's see what is happening here. So now it started. Just let me to add one more item here. I'm just going to add an item here, like and just YouTube demo company name YouTube. Here I am just mobile number giving, but the location is Qatar. Date of birth, whatever the date you have to, just I am giving any date here. I'm giving the date here. It will take some, yeah. It's come now. Now I just click and save. You see here what happening. Now my flow is running, so it will take some time. Now my item is created. It gets success. Profile v2 also it took my profile next. All this convert to HTML to PDF. It is also got success, and email also success. Now I am going to my email. Now I show you what happening now. I am getting an email, new item is added. If you see it here, I am got a attachment which is name is contact card YouTube. It tells here, if you see now my employee detail YouTube demo, company name, email, mobile number like this, location is Qatar, date of birth is. This is the very easy way. Here also contact card for YouTube demo. Yeah, you will get all. It is in a PDF format. So this is all about this convert our list item, SharePoint list item into a PDF format. So you can also implement yourself. And so here you can also add so many things. You can also add hyperlink. You can also add images file. All these things you can do it. You can do it by yourself. If you are facing any issues, please comment me in my videos so that I'll help you on this. Thank you guys for watching my videos. And if you want to see in details, just go to here njsharepoint.com. Here you will get my all these videos here, all my articles over here. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.